What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Well, it's dark outside. Let's get these rock lights turned on. Much better. There you go, now I can see. So me and Kaylee are both running really short on pictures, so we're gonna go do a photo shoot probably. Not sure where we're gonna go yet. Might hit a few spots in like the back roads and stuff. Little update on the truck. I did order some new parts, so stay tuned this weekend. They'll probably be here this weekend, and I'll be putting them on. It's gonna be a big change, huge changes coming. I'm so excited. Comment down below what you think I'm getting. Also, I saw on Instagram today a different kind of grill, so I might be getting a new grill. Not exactly sure what I want to do. It has lights inside the middle, and you can custom make it to say whatever you want. Might be getting that. Might say like Cardi B or something cool. Comment down below if you think that's a good idea. Still working out the wheels. Might go down in Texas and trade them. Also still debating if I'm gonna lift the truck higher or not. There's so much stuff going on. Still waiting for everything to get in at Infinite Custom so they can do the whole inside speakers. If you don't already follow Infinite Custom on Instagram, they make some killer stuff. They didn't install these, but we're ripping all these out and putting in new Scar audio speakers all around. And then right now I have 2 Scar audio amps, and there's gonna be another bass amp, and then I got the Rockford Falls Gate boat speakers in the back. So this truck is gonna be a concert when everything's done. Shout out to Infinite Custom helping me out. Just a lot of stuff that has to get done before Lone Star Throwdown. I'm excited. It's gonna look like a totally different truck before I go to the show, hopefully. A lot more stuff to do, but that's the fun in it. Changing everything up. Got that big trash can tip in the back. Everybody's loving that. Update on Kaylee's truck. We're probably gonna get some new parts soon, so stay tuned for all that. Got a few things coming. Not sure if I can really leak it yet. I did end up putting new batteries in it though, so it starts up real fine. Super smooth. I had that same problem in my last truck, my last 6.0. They had starting problems. Whenever it was 32 degrees or lower, it did not want to start. And I put new batteries in it, and it started up fine every day. Same thing with her truck. Now it starts fine. I'll show you guys in a little bit. I'll start up the trucks. Well, we're gonna get going. Gonna start up both these trucks. Turn on her rock lights, so we can get going on this photo shoot. Gotta get Kaylee's rock lights turned on. Trying to convince her to do clear, like me. Boop. Gotta drive around with pink for breast cancer. What do you guys think? Should she keep the multicolor ones or go white? I think I just said clear, but I meant to say white. Colored or white? personally, I like white, but low-key, it's probably because I'm colorblind and it's hard to tell colors. I need a train horn. I know. Give you guys a not so cold start on Kaylee's truck. It's been started today, so. Which one do you think sounds better, guys? The 6.7 or the 6.0? I own that truck and I'm ruined for the 6.0. I missed mine. Comment down below what you think. This is how we have to back out of our driveway because it's too hard to turn around. Gonna get some B-roll and take some pictures.
Hayden Cartel. Wendy got
truck to the store to get food. It was a very quick photo shoot, but got a lot of nice pictures. So follow me on Instagram at Gabe Farrell Productions, and on Kaylee's Instagram is Yak Attack 6.0. I'll have them linked in the description. We post pretty much. I post pretty much every day. She posts quite a bit. So if you want to see pictures that we take before I show them on YouTube, or changes of the truck and everything, those are usually up on Instagram before YouTube anyway. The colorful UFO. She got the green rock lights turned on right now. Crazy cold outside, so I'm gonna get in the heated truck. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, big changes coming, so stay tuned for the end of the week. I'll have more updates on that. If not, I'll be installing it. They said 4 business days, so hopefully it gets here Friday. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you thought about the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.